Hello there, and welcome to Jamez Yells at Games. This is Amnesia once again. As you can see, Amnesia. Just gonna get right back into it. We didn't get that far before. We've only seen one monster, and we didn't actually see the monster. We just saw the result of the monster. And it's gonna take me a second to remember what exactly the controls are. But we got this. I got this. You got this. We got this. Okay. Alright. So, I'm not being chased by anything just yet. I wonder, can I light that and then carry it with me? No? Well, that's bullshit. Okay, I don't even know what I'm supposed to be doing right now. Anything in there? Oh, look, a tinderbox. I don't need to light anything else in this room. F is lantern. Okay, just making sure. Anything up in here? Anything back here? No? Okay. Although apparently just being on the other side of the room, of this relatively bright room, is scary. According to Daniel. Daniel saw. Okay. Oh, okay. Come on! Thank you. I don't like those noises. Okay, here we go. Let's turn up the volume, make the game even scarier for James. That makes sense. Cause, you know, who doesn't do it that-a-ways? Did I already come in here? Yes, I did. Did I open that? Yes, I did. There's nothing. Hello? Oh. I think I came from that direction, didn't I? I'm pretty sure. And here's the thing, is like, I know that there's like a lot of shit that I'm gonna have to deal with before I actually get to real monsters. I know that much. I've played, or not played, but I've watched enough gameplay to know that that's the case. I don't know what the hell that sound is, though. That's the sound of me going crazy? It's locked. Okay. See, I don't have a whole lot of, oil is my biggest concern right now. Yeah, somebody definitely closed that. That definitely happened. Come on down the hall. See, I remember being here, because I remember seeing the door being all winky wonky. The sand gave way to his tired body as he fell from the camel's back. He felt the wind gently sweep across his face and his dry, crusted lips. Okay, I don't know where I'm supposed to be going. J is mementos? Okay, so evidence in the laboratories. The door leading to the local history room is locked. Is there another entrance? Okay, so I gotta get back in there. So I gotta go back in there. Is what they're saying. Back into the archives. It was done, the men said. The tomb had been revealed. Hinan awaits. I didn't read the rest. I'm sure I'll see it again later. Yeah, see, I already... Did I not come in here? Go away. Well, even if I did come in here, I forgot something. So hey, at least I picked it up this time. No. 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 Okay. Hello? Oh, shit. God damn it, son of a fucking whore. Ah, that sound is the sound of Daniel going crazy because it's too dark on that side of the room as compared to this side of the room. Okay. Hello, darkness, my old friend. See, yeah, and I was just in this room. There. Just uncrazy myself for a second. It's like, I'm trying, man. You give me, like, no oil. Did I go this way? I don't think I went this way yet. Hello? You don't need to make noises like that, man. You super don't. Here, let me just, I'm gonna just, can you come with me? Can you come with me? You can come with me. Phil Jr. the second. No, wait. Phil the Deuce the second. Okay. Oil! Yay. How do I get into my inventory? No. Yeah. There we go. Oh, and I had 2 of them, too. Well, gee. Oh, in the chemistry pot. Okay. Oh. All is good. I have a slight headache. Because it's just so darn dark. Ugh, I don't like those buggy fellas either. They throw me. Fragile but not breakable by hand. Hello? Well, I guess I live here now. So that's cool. Nope, not breakable by that. What about, ooh. Come here, Phil. Phil, there we go. I'm probably supposed to go in there. But give me a second, I want to finish exploring real quick. Make sure there's nothing else I need to grab from like in here. See, like that. See, I almost missed that. I just picked up a note.
17th of May, 1839. After pounding the unforgiving stone wall for what seemed like an eternity, I realized it was hopeless. I was trapped. I fell to the ground, gasping for air, trying to focus. That's when I saw a faint blue shimmer. My weakened body was heavy to carry.
Oh, I am. I'm
I
playing.
managed to push myself toward the enchanting light. It was waiting for me. Enclosed in dark nothingness, I felt myself drawn to the mystic light.
I can't even look all the way around.
I reached out, closing it in my hands. The faint glow escaped my fingers and began to spark brightly and spirit me away, unlocking alien memories of spiraling towers, endless deserts, and impossible geometry. The next thing I can remember is the grating sound of stone being lifted, the voices of the Arabs pulling me to safety, and grasped firmly in my hands was the broken pieces of a most peculiar relic.
Well, that wasn't completely crazy and somewhat terrifying. Not at all. Definitely not. No, no, no. Cool. Okay, so I don't think I've ever seen that before. I like when I see stuff that I haven't seen before in this game. Like, it's been so long since the last time I played it anyway. It's so creepy, because I know ain't nobody playing over here. Okay, so go in here, put that on there. That's right. I keep forgetting I can also run. Okay.
You have to be swift when you activate the first one. You hear that? If it stops, you'll have to start over.
Isn't all this a bit excessive?
You can never be too careful, Daniel.
Okay, something's in my journal. I don't think this is diary. I think this is going to be a memento. Some sort of secret door mechanism in the local history room. Okay. Secret door mechanism in the local history room. So I just gotta find it. Ooh. Oh. Can I break this glass? I can. Can I take that note? I can. Yeah. Alright, so cool. I could pick that up and read it and... Oh. Oh, that's lean? Oh, that's cool. I didn't realize that's what that was. There's something, I mean, there's two pieces. Okay, so that's where the door's gonna be. So there's two oh, is that one? That's one. I just gotta figure out where the other one is. Oh, and that's... Nope. Let's see... Oh. Nope. Oh, there it is. There's one. There's the other. There's more than just those two? Come on, where's the last one? There's another book that... Oh, there it is. Ah, god damn it. Oh, I got it? Hooray! Okay, there we go. Put that oil in there. I gotta stop using my lamp so much. It's just really hard because it's like, I wanna, you know. Ooh, there's a key to get into the wine cellar. Hello? Hello? I love the physics in this game. It's really fun. I think, anyway. Let's see. Give me some oil. Give me some oil. Get Daddy some oil. Oh, here's a note. Regarding the closing of the wine cellar, Wilhelm and his fools have endangered my research long enough with their absent-minded handling of the human vessels. The sheriff is keeping a watchful eye on the forest and is killing my trusty servants. It's just a matter of time until they follow the trail to Brennenburg. I need to lock Wilhelm and his men up to avoid further investigation from the public. The wine cellar will therefore be sealed off until the matter has been handled. Either the king's men leave or they will starve. Whatever comes first, they can rot for all I care. Maybe I will feed them some wine, and would, in a sense, solve both of my problems. I don't know how that solves your problems. Unless you're a wino. You're trying not to be. If you're trying not to be a wino, and you're a wino, I commend you. Okay, so... is this... Oh! Right. That was why it was so scary and disturbing, because this door that was locked is no longer locked. Okay. Oh, and that's not the right way either, is it? Is it? I guess maybe it is. Okay. What the hell? What was that? Hello? Hello? What the hell? Hello? Whew, I don't know what that was, but I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. The stone slab looked like something, I don't know. Looked like something scary. Oh god! What the hell? What the hell? Oh. Oh my god. Oh, it's everywhere. Oh, Jesus. Okay. 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 Is that a zebra? Do they keep zebras at this castle? Hello? Is this the wine cellar? That looks like the wine cellar. The door to unlock. Whoops. Yeah, that's... How? How? Oh. You double click. Yeah, I don't know what that noise was, but that was scary. I thought that I still had to go and see the dead body, the naked dead body, before I got to, like, the scary, like, monster shit. So, I was wrong. I am running very low on oil. Hello? Shit.
Where did the Baron
Fuck.
go?
Who cares? He left us enough wine to last us a lifetime. Or at least until tomorrow.
Was that me running out of oil? Hang on. Oh, it was. Okay. Oh, fuck. Hello? Don't like that. No, I don't. I can close. So I gotta tell y'all that on top of playing this relatively scary game, admittedly in the middle of the day, I do have some fluttery goings on above me because I put a curtain over my window, but the window is open because it gets warm in this room, and that keeps fluttering, scaring the crap out of me. That's... Oh god, what was that? Oh! Beware, when standing in darkness, your sanity will slowly drain. Turn on lights in the environment using tinder boxes or other light sources. Oh, it's calamine. Fuck, can I get out, please? What the fuck? What the fuck? Hi, light, how is you? Okay, so can't come back out that way. We're starting to get into the actually scary parts of this game. Like random rattling chains, for example. But you know what? No, I'm gonna be brave. I'm gonna be a brave boy. I'm gonna be a brave boy. And I'm gonna not get scared. I'm gonna not be scared. It's Tiny Box Tim! Well, I just did that. Oh, okay. Okay, so yeah, it just wants me to move that stuff out of the way there. I don't like any of these sounds. I want to point that out. none of these are good sounds as far as I'm concerned. There's not been one good sound so far. There's been chains rattling. There's been footsteps. Some guy breathing over there. But not like a guy, and not like breathing. Oh.
Darkness closing in.
What do you mean darkness is closing in? I'm staring at a light right now. Here's my sanity. I've only got a slight headache. I've got a few cuts and bruises. I'm fine. You're fine, Daniel. Stop being a pussy. She's a dancing log. Okay. Alright. Alright. Jamez isn't gonna be a pussy, right? Right? Isn't that right? Jamez ain't gonna be no pussy. Okay. I know that I did that. But I feel like I didn't do that. Okay. Alright, come on. What? That's green. Whatever the fuck that is. It's a very noticeable color in a game that has, like, no green. It sounds like people are walking above me. Like, in the game. I'm sure people are above me in real life, because there's children living above me, but... You're brave, you're brave, you're brave, you're brave. You got this, you got this, you got this. Let's go. That's the wrong way. Wait, okay. Hello? Okay, never mind. Sorry, guy. Didn't mean to bother you. I'm sorry. How do I get out? Oh, I'm going mad. What? Hello? Oh god. Come on, come on. Oh. Oh. Jesus. Oh, this is a scary freaking game. It's not even, it's just, it's I anticipate it to be so scary that it becomes so much scarier than it needs to be. Okay. Just standing in, is that oil? No, fuck, that's still, fuck. I need oil. Oh my god, and I have no more tinder boxes left either. Oh. Alright, we're gonna try here. With my no tinder boxes. And no oil for my lantern. Okay. Just running. I'm just running. I'm just running and running and running. I'm trying to find any. There's a tinder box. Okay, light that. Okay. My sanity is not doing great, apparently. Is that oil? That looks like that might be oil. Okay, we're gonna make a run for it. We're gonna make a run for it. Go, 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 go. That's oil. Nope, that's orpiment. Orpiment? Okay. I think that I only needed 4 things though, right? Okay. So we're just gonna charge. We're just gonna charge and go. Go, 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 go. How do I get out of here? And go. Because I think it was only 4 items. I'm pretty sure. And I've got all 4 now. I'm pretty sure. Oh, I hope I don't have to go back down there until after I've got oil. Okay, come on. Come on, back up to the laboratory. Is this the laboratory? Yeah, see, they did that on purpose. It became impossible to avoid. The commotion in the streets begged for his attention. As he opened the shutters, the French soldiers opened fire on the 2 young men fighting back. Their voices were silenced in a haze of gun smoke. That's dark. Okay. Oh, my sanity ain't great, but you know what? Here's a light. Okay, here we go, here we go. Charge! Charge! Shh, no whispering, no whispering, no whispering. Hi, light. No creepy whispering. That is not welcome nor allowed. I didn't notice this note before. Chemical relocation. A lack of chimney to properly vent the fumes from my most recent experiments has taken its toll on many of my less stable ingredients in storage. Some seem unaffected, but many are stained by the fumes and will be difficult to salvage. I shall do what I can and move them to the wine cellar. Well, I already got them. Alright, so you need that. You need that. Apparently doing this. Oh. No! Oh. What the fuck? And the worst part is that I have to go back into the wine cellar. Oh. I'm gonna go back into the wine cellar. Or not. Is it any of these? No? Shit. One day I will return. If it wasn't for the thought of you, my love, I wouldn't be able to go on. When I find myself doing terrible things, I take comfort in you. As long as I am able to think of you and long for a life together, I know I'm better than the others. I weep for them. They lust for power without restraint, where I only crave fair judgment and a safe return. Who is walking? Who is... Okay, so that's just... nothing actually any kind of important. Oh, unless that, like, brings you back to sanity. I wonder if that's what that does. That would be cool. Also, I see a tinderbox hiding in there. Hello? Hello? There we go. And another tinderbox. Well, that's something at least. Alright, so yeah. Since I cannot actually go back into the wine cellar at this moment, I'm going to go ahead and call it for now. I want to thank you so much for coming and watching me play Amnesia. Y'all voted on this one. Cassie, I'm looking at you. Other people also voted, but Cassie was the first one to vote on this. So yeah, that's another little piece of Amnesia. I'm gonna try to get this one finished, and I promise I'm not gonna just keep replaying games I've already played for the 31 Days of Horror. I'm gonna be doing more, but it's just like with Amnesia, for example, like I've been wanting to play it for so long, and I can't justify playing stuff and not filming it right now because I want to share these games with you. So that's, yeah, but tell me what other games you want to see me play. Free is always preferable, but any other games that you want to see me play, I'm happy to play them. They're fun for me. So yes, I think that's it. Thank you to everybody who voted on the poll. Appreciate it. Thank you to everybody who's been liking my videos, who's been subscribing, who has been liking my page on Facebook. You guys are helping me so much. Big, huge thank you to Big Fat Video Game Nerd for providing this game for me. I really, really appreciate it. That's freaking amazing of you. You're awesome, and you're very well missed. I also want to remind everybody, links are down in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon down there to get notifications. I am uploading a new video every day this month, or, you know, like 2 in one day when I don't get it done until 1 o'clock in the morning, whatever. I'm uploading a new video every day this month. This is my 31 Days of Horror. Today is October 5th, which makes this the 5th day of horror. And that's it. Thank you again so much. I miss you, Jenny. J-Mez.